y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the September 2021 Simply Gilded subscription titled Moondrops. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're an OG, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get into this. If you'd like to see what's in this box, stay tuned. Okay, so I have the menu card. I'm going to unbox this subscription in the order of the menu card, and I'm going to set this up here. First item up is the foiled journaling card. As you can see, we have, come on, focus. Thank you. We have lots of purples, pink, going into pinks, blues in this kit, and the foil for this month is a hollow foil. So this is the journaling card. Also, before I get too far into this box, I want to tell you guys that this month's subscription is a collab with Any Plans Printables. I will link that shop down in the description box. So the next item we have up are the deluxe designer washi tapes. I don't know why I want to say deluxe washi tapes. So this month, for some reason, I didn't get my add-on. No biggie. Not gonna make a big fuss about it. So I did kind of prepare this month and unwrapped all the washi and rolled it out for you guys to see, but I wanted you guys to get a good look at our washi for the month. Washi. I'm really starting to love the perforated date covers. They're super cute. I have so many of them now, so I should never need date covers again. So I also have already rolled this out so you can see what it looks like rolled out. Y'all look at the hollow on those date covers, super cute. So this is this month's washi set. The next item is the deluxe sticker kit and seals. If I can figure out how to get in here, there we go. So we have the two larger pages. Let's go over these. We have 3 sets of date covers in addition to the date cover washi tape. We've got some full boxes. We've got some flags. We've got headers. We've got some deco, mini deco in here. We've got some more headers, meeting appointment, meal plan, important, some checklists, some circle icons, and we've got some bows down here. All with this pretty hollow foil. Then we have our heart icons. We have our heart icons with the dates. Call them date dots. We have our mini sheet, which has 1 full box, half boxes, checklists, and some more mini deco up here. And then we have our seals for the month. We typically get the bows. This month we've got some clear glossy moons. Could not think there for a minute. So this is our deluxe sticker kit with the seals. The next item up is I'm sure a favorite for everyone. We have another porchette, y'all. This is the large printed porchette. As you can see, it has this gray blue color with the hollow foil designs, vegan leather, super cute, silver hardware. Mine is a little crooked. I'm not sure what's happening here. Oh, I turned it. Okay, no I didn't. Oh, mine is broken. Well, that explains that. Well, I know how to fix mine, but I'll fix mine later. Actually, no, this is completely broken. So there's that. Anyway, this is the large printed porchette. It does have the pink interior. You've got a loop here for a pen and a D-ring hook. Oh, that's a mess. And a D-ring hook. So this is the large porchette. The next item up is the A5. In A5, stitch binding notebook, and this is one of the collab items with Any Plans Printables. Normally, you guys know we get a B6, and this month we got an A5. So let's cut this open. Looking for my knife. There we go. Y'all, rearranged the top of my desk and can't find anything. Let's close this up before I kill myself. Alright, so we have this notebook. It is not dot grid this month. We have almost like a vertical layout. So we have these spaces up here for you to put your headers down. And you've got these vertical columns, 5 across and 2 down for the weekends. And this is the entire notebook. So it does say on the back, Any Plans Printables and Simply Gilded. So this is the A5 stitch binding notebook. The next item on the list is this month's pen. It is obviously same color as the rest of the kit with the, this has actually a silver design instead of hollow. It is black ink gel pen. You've got the Simply Gilded bow up there, Simply Gilded here on the hardware. Cute, cute, cute. So this is this month's pen. The next item on the list is the vellum sticky note set. So we have these cute sticky vellum notes with the hollow foil on them. Super thick. You'll need a, if you're a longtime subscriber of Simply Gilded, these micro perm pens she sends every once in a while. They write on here, will not smear. Love them. Or you can go to Michael's or order on Amazon these micron pens. They work great as well, and I'll link these down below in the description box. They write on all types of vellum, no smearing, no problems. So these are the vellum sticky notes. The next item is the deluxe acrylic washi stand with the sparkling charm, which I think I just knocked off my desk. Here we go. So I'm not going to completely put this together because I'm not going to keep it. I'm probably going to list this on Mercari for sale. I don't need anything else on my desk. I cannot do it. So the stand has the Simply Gilded logo down there. Obviously there's a protective layer that you can see on here that needs to be peeled off. I'm not going to peel it off, but it simply fits down in here. And then you have a hole up here where you can hang your charm from. So you've got string and you've got your charm, and there you go. You have your deluxe acrylic washi stand with the charm. Now I'm going to reveal the mystery item. If you're not interested in seeing it, or you'd like it to be a surprise when you get your kit, thank you for watching this video. I would recommend that you exit now. But for those of you that like to see it, we have some pen loops this month. Isn't that cute? So obviously they perfectly match the theme of the box. And you've got this blue one here with the bow logo, with the bow on it, and then we have this grayish one, grayish blue one with the moon and stars. 2 pen loops. Here's your mystery item. Alright y'all, so this is the September 2021 Simply Gilded subscription box titled Moon Drops. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.